A physician works hard to build his practice, go to medical school, go to residency, and times of claims are very trying for these physicians, and we're there to help them. And that's when they need us.
This program's built for rural hospitals and physician practices. Anything that's healthcare related, we can handle it.
And we have a huge advantage because of the knowledge and skill set that we have in our vertical. We've got over 100 years worth of malpractice throughout our team. And you'd be hard pressed to find anybody that has near the knowledge that we have.
What we're finding is that 90% of all the submissions that carriers have, physicians and facilities are classified incorrectly. And so having our underwriter being able to actually categorize that correctly before it gets to underwriting, we're finding a massive amount of savings available to that.
There's definitely upward pressure on rates, so much so that it's becoming a huge factor for physicians. And us being able to shop that and get competitive rates, we've been able to save physicians sometimes up to 40 to 50% on the rate that they're paying now. And it's a huge advantage. And we're one of the only groups that can do that because we have access to so many markets.
Our job as your brokers is ultimately just being able to provide all the services that they need that our clients in some of the rural areas just don't have. And then being able to put together that program in such a way that drives down costs and protects the revenue cycle is a big deal.
We have all these wonderful discounts and programs and dividends, and I feel like it's going to be a great partnership because our physicians are going to be insured by someone that truly cares about them.
We've been able to help them manage their practice, manage their risk, save them money so much that we become a trusted partner.
We run into hospitals all the time that are working with agents and brokers that are out of large national agencies that don't care about these smaller regional critical access hospitals, and that's where we shine. We're batting over 900 when it comes to these hospitals. We have not found one yet that we have not been able to come in and clean up a dozen things or more.
We can put together your own program for you with our own claims people. So really, we kind of feel like it's a bit like Burger King. You can have it your way. This is a program that is going to be really unmatched.
MICA is revered for its financial stability. MICA has about $1.2 billion in assets, about $850 million in surplus, and we write about $90+ million of business. When you look at the leverage ratios that produces, it's an amazing juggernaut of a company. MICA distributes its business in two ways. One, through direct channels, and the second way through a very small specialty group of brokers that we have handpicked that really understand the MPL space and understand the physician community. And our experience with Leavitt is that they hit on all of those buttons. What we see from them is professionalism, expertise, and a commitment. And we love that about Leavitt, and we believe that it's going to be a long and beneficial partnership, and we're very pleased by it.
Leavitt is not just an insurance paper pushing broker. They've done the work. They know how it needs to be done.